Hi there, welcome to the Elai onboarding tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create your Elai account. Let's get started. First of all, you need to follow the sign-up link which you can find right on our website. Next, please fill in the sign-up form with your name, email, and password. Then select what you will use: videos for personal use, work, or education. Accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and create an account. Next, select your use case, content production frequency, and any other relevant details, and finish the setup. Verify your email in the inbox. Your Elai.io video draft will appear on the screen. The platform offers you a free 1-minute trial to test the features. Welcome to the video creation journey with Elai. If you need any support or further guidance, please feel free to contact our support or sales teams. We're always here to help you. Bye-bye.